I'm Johan Pirot. I'm with Barco, and we are here on the New York Digital Signage Week. What I would like to show you here is the integration of ClickShare with Zoom rooms as well as with Kaptivo systems. The setup here, you can see our ClickShare 800, which is connected to a PC running the Zoom room system. Over here, you also see the Zoom room controller. And on the left side here is the PC where we will share content from. So why would you use ClickShare in Zoom rooms? It's mainly to do ease of content sharing plus the collaboration features that we provide on our ClickShare systems. How does it work? When a user enters a Zoom room and he has a meeting planned, he can just click on the start button over here, and by starting it you will see that the video starts. On the left side here we see the remote video, which is coming from a remote user in the back of the room over there. And we can also get our local screen on the right side there. A user can now enter the room here and share content in exactly the same way as he would do in a local ClickShare room. So everybody knows the ClickShare buttons. You plug it here into your PC, and just by one click, he will share the content, and it will come obviously on the local screen. But the good thing is with the Zoom room connectivity, you also see exactly the same thing on the remote PC over there. Now with the ClickShare 800, we also provide additional capabilities. For instance, I can touch through and I can also mark up and annotate my screens. I can start annotating and I can save it with a single click here, and all the PCs and all the ClickShare applications that are connected to the ClickShare will get a copy of this file. Now what often happens in meetings like this is that users will turn to the classic old-fashioned whiteboard over here. What we did here is we integrated with this camera here from Kaptivo, and with the Kaptivo box again you can have one click, and I need to close this one for a second. So with one click on the Kaptivo button over here, you will see that my whiteboard immediately appears here on my main screen. And it's mainly important for the remote user. Now the remote user can see exactly the same thing as what we see over here. And while you're looking there, I will stand in front of the whiteboard, and you will see I'm not obstructing the whiteboard. You can still perfectly see it. I can further mark up stuff on the whiteboard here, say welcome here. And so this will gradually appear on the screen over there. The great thing with ClickShare now is that I can put my slide next to it by using the side-by-side feature. We can bring up to 4 sources here. And again, we can annotate over the whole content. I can, for instance, say this text here should appear here on my slide. I can save it. It will save it on my PC and all my other devices. The remote user sees exactly the same and is still completely engaged in the meeting, so it doesn't get disconnected from what we are doing in the local room over here. And everything is really collaborative in this way. So this is how we can make meetings more collaborative for the local users, but also for the remote users. If you want more information, please look at us on barco.com.